Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you the super easy, soft and gooey chocolate brownies without oven. Full recipe will be given in the description down below. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be adding my dry ingredients. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. And set aside. In another bowl, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of oil, here I'll be sieving half a cup of powdered sugar, beat the oil and sugar till they're well combined. Here I'm adding 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat the egg for 42 to 45 seconds. Do not overbeat the egg. Now we'll add our melted chocolate. Here you can add chocolate of your choice, dark chocolate or milk chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of melted milk chocolate. Beat till well combined. Don't overmix your brownies batter after each step so your brownies don't turn out cakey. Once our chocolate has been well combined, now we will sieve in our dry ingredients. Now I will gently mix in my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, but without turning on my beater, because we don't want to overmix our batter. Once my dry ingredients are incorporated, I will just turn on my beater for 1 second for a good mix, and our batter is perfectly ready. Scrape the sides. Here I've greased my mold. And now pour your batter into the mold. Spread your batter equally. Here I'm using a 5 to 6 inch mold. Now I'm gonna tap my batter at least 15 to 20 times till I get a grease, oily layering on top of my batter. This will give a flaky look to the batter. Here I'm adding chocolate chunks, milky and dark. You can add whatever you like. Now I'm gonna bake my brownies in a preheated pot for 25 to 30 minutes on medium to low flame. Here our brownies are perfectly baked. You can check the brownies by inserting a toothpick in between. Here I'm going to cover my brownies and set them aside for at least 1 to 2 hours till they're cooled down. Make sure you don't cut the brownies right away while they are hot or warm because they might split. As you can see here, my brownies are perfectly cooled down. Now cut into slices as you like. Now you can check out the fudginess and the gooiness of the brownies. Please make sure to try this recipe, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please do try and give me your feedback. Thanks for watching.